How to maintain a car engine. 10 simple tips to keep it running smoothly. A well-maintained engine lasts longer, performs better, and helps you avoid expensive repairs. Follow these simple maintenance tips to keep your car in excellent condition. 1. Change the engine oil regularly. Engine oil lubricates moving parts and reduces wear. Check the oil level at least once a month. Replace the oil and oil filter according to your vehicle manufacturer's recommended interval, or sooner if you drive in harsh conditions. Always use the correct oil grade. 2. Replace the air filter. A clean air filter improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. Inspect it every 10,000–15,000 kilometers. Replace it if it's dirty or clogged. 3. Check coolant levels. Coolant prevents your engine from overheating. Check the coolant reservoir regularly. Top up with the recommended coolant if needed. Flush and replace coolant according to the maintenance schedule. 4. Inspect belts and hoses. Cracked belts or leaking hoses can cause major engine problems. Look for cracks, swelling, or leaks. Replace worn parts before they fail. 5. Change spark plugs. Healthy spark plugs improve starting, fuel economy, and engine performance. Replace them according to your owner's manual. If your engine misfires or idles roughly, inspect them sooner. 6. Keep the battery healthy. A weak battery affects engine starting. Clean battery terminals. Check for corrosion. Replace the battery when it no longer holds a proper charge. 7. Use quality fuel. Good quality fuel helps keep the fuel system cleaner. Use the fuel grade recommended by the manufacturer. Avoid letting the fuel tank run nearly empty all the time. 8. Listen for unusual sounds. Don't ignore warning signs like knocking or ticking noises. Rough idling. Wait about 30 seconds. Drive gently for the first few minutes until the engine reaches operating temperature. 10. Follow the maintenance schedule. The owner's manual contains the recommended service intervals for oil changes, air filter replacement, coolant service, spark plugs, timing belt or timing chain inspection, transmission service. Following this schedule helps maximize engine life. Bonus tips. Check for oil or coolant leaks under your vehicle. Keep the engine bay reasonably clean to spot leaks more easily. Avoid hard acceleration when the engine is cold. Don't ignore dashboard warning lights. Have your vehicle inspected regularly by a qualified mechanic. Benefits of regular engine maintenance: longer engine life, better fuel economy, lower repair costs, improved performance, reduced emissions, increased reliability. Proper engine maintenance is one of the best investments you can make in your vehicle. A few minutes of routine care can help prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly for many years. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips, installation guides, and automotive content. See you in the next video.